chocolate. Boo! We're making chocolate. Mermaid tail, unicorn, and for my brother, dinosaurs. Whoa! Stay tuned for Cooking with Naomi and Aubrey. Let's get cooking. Today, we got these chocolates. We got purple, pink, blue, and green. It's not chocolates, they're actual vanilla. But you can pick these up from Michael's. Since they're vanillas and we want chocolate, we're going to put this in the mold and put these on. But first, put those on top, and then we're going. We have to melt all these. And this is dark chocolate. Holy can we try one of these? But they might taste good. We have this edible glitter. We have red, green, blue, and yellow. Today we're going to be using yellow for the little glitter she polishes. But we can use different colors for different molds. Like we could use blue for these dinosaurs, and we could use...
Take two.
Today we only need 3 ingredients. Candy melts, gold literature duster. It's optional. You don't have to add it. So we're gonna need candy molds. Before you do any melting, you're gonna have to taste these. Once you're done tasting, let's get melting. You put your colors in your bowls. I will put the pink in my bowl. I'll be putting blue. Put these in the microwave for 30 seconds each until fully melted. It's gonna be hot, so we decided to stop using our bare hands. I want to make sure it's nice and melted, so you just carefully touch it and mix. While that's still going, we're gonna be putting like the frosting into the molds like this. I'm just gonna show it as an example. Hey! We're gonna take some and fill it in. Just like that. Don't get for me. Get in there. Me too. Get in there. And I put our chocolates in our mold. Since it's a little hard to do it with the spoon, we're going to use piping bags. So we're going to put the frosting into this, and then we're going to hold it like a piping bag. First, you're going to scoop all of this into here. This might get a bit messy, so just make sure to do it like this. Next, once you put your frosting in the bag, you ask the parent to cut it. Since I'm 7, I'm going to cut it myself. So, how you do it is you get the bag and squeeze it in the mold you're doing. Stop! That's good. Now you're going to add a little bit of pink if you want to do multicolor. I could maybe downward.
Okay, here. And pipe it in there just halfway.
Good job. Ooh, it's warm. All right, do it again.
Naomi, can I do some of the mermaid tails? We will. Can I do some of the mermaid tails? Please. Once you added your colors together, you're going to move it around. Do it. Let me.
You are, Bubba. Go.
Oh, but make sure to be careful.
Right here.
Let me.
Okay, right here. Do it.
Let me.
Kaden, I need to help you.
No. Don't me. I'm just moving it into the horn.
There you go. Move it on.
Next, you drop it on your counter like this. This gets rid of all the air bubbles and helps show the prints a little bit better. Put them in your freezer till they have cooled. Once they're cool, you're gonna melt your chocolate and fill the rest of the mold. You do this again to get rid of all the air bubbles, adding the new chocolate. I see one, so I'm going to get it out. Me too. Well, that's being scraped. I'm going to tell you a joke. Why did the dinosaur mermaid the unicorn mermaid and the mermaids swim across the ocean floor to get to their homes to watch Cooking with Naomi and Aubrey. We're gonna put them in the refrigerator to dry, and then tomorrow we're gonna eat them. We're eating our chocolates at Disneyland. I hope you stay tuned. Thanks for watching Naomi Cooking with Naomi.